shoutout muna kay Ricky. Baka mapagalitan tayo ni Ricky eh. Hindi raw tayo nag-upload ng video. So yan, shoutout sa mga anak niya rin. And then syempre sa Maples Boys na nanonood ng video. So right now, nandito ako sa 1981 Plessis Road. Kung sa likod ko is yung MPI. So for today, magdi-dispose ako ng car seat. Yan, kasi may mga expired car seat kami na natatambak sa bahay, in which dapat hindi na pwedeng gamitin yon kapag expired na. Hindi ko rin pwedeng itapon sa ordinaryong basurahan kasi hindi kasya sa bin. So dito sa MPI sa may 1981 Plessis Road, dito yung disposal. So pupunta ako dun sa may security and then i-show niya or they will show us kung saan natin i-dispose or kung saan ko i-dispose yung mga car seats. Security. Hi, I'm just going to dispose an expired car seats.
Okay, how many?
I have 3.
Okay, so there is a blue bin.
Blue
Big
bin?
one behind the red one.
Okay.
Drop there.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. So yun, dito pala ang disposal. May bin dito and then i-drop lang doon, tatapon lang lahat. Ayun ang bin. Ito yung car seat. Itatapon ko. So dito lang daw siya itatapon sa may blue bin. Oh, yun o, tabing car seat. Dami. So hindi na ginagamit yan. So a good shoutout din kay Ricky na and yun sa kids niya na lagi nanonood ng video. So kahapon nag-start na ulit yung aming basketball dito sa Winnipeg. Yung aming every Wednesday and every Friday na basketball game with the titos. Tapos yung mga kids drill and training. Ngayon mas marami na kaming mga players and syempre kasama natin dyan yung Maples Basketball na mostly halos kalahati ng mga participant nandoon din. Malapit na yung winter at as you can see, nag-start na lumamig. Right now we are on +9. So nasa single digit na ulit yung temperature dito sa Winnipeg. I'm not so sure dun sa iba. And yung mga dahon, yan, nag-uumpisa na ulit mahulog, which is palamig na. And I think I can say that this season, October 2024, yan yung mga flu season. Kaya kailangan na ulit magpalakas, kailangan na ulit uminom ng mga vitamins at syempre iwas-iwas sa sakit kasi mas maraming nagkakasakit ngayong fall season. And vaccine season na rin ngayon, mag-uumpisa na rin. So doon sa pharmacy, nag-uumpisa na yung mga vaccine clinic o yung vaccines. So magiging busy na naman ang aming trabaho for the next 3 months. And papasalamat din ako sa mga nanonood, especially dun sa mga ka-Maples natin dito. Yan sila Boss Jean, sila Roy, si Edison. Yan, may magandang balita dun sa kapatid ni Edison. Dito sa Canada, sobrang busy. Hahanap ka talaga ng oras mo para makapaglibang, especially dito sa Winnipeg. Talagang kapag nagpatak na yung lamig, kapag nag-start na yung negative, mostly work, bahay, yun lang ang magiging setup mo. Pero yung ginagawa namin with the Maples Boys Basketball, meron na rin kaming upcoming league. Yan, so magiging busy na naman yung coverage ng Maples Basketball League. So yan naman magaganap every Sunday. So same place, doon sa pinaglalaroan. And syempre, good shoutout to Ryan na kakampi ko ngayon dito sa basketball. So it's going to be a busy, mas pinabusy pa yung aming activities, especially sa mga bata. Mas maraming activities sila kaysa sa amin din. Kaya as a parents, kailangan scheduling talaga. Ay siya, magiging busy rin siya dahil upcoming na rin yung mga vaccine clinics. It's going to be busy day. So uwi na ako ngayon and then lunch, tapos susunduin naman yung mga bata. So for me, yun yung errands ko every day.
We we got just 3 seats today.
Yeah, you got 3 seats there.
Yeah.
Hold it up. 1, 2, 3. How's your day?
Good. So cold. So
Good.
cold today.
Is your jacket enough or no? You need a warmer jacket pa?
Yes.
Hoodie's not working anymore? Oh no.
Cold.
I know. Ice cold?
It's 3:31. I thought it was gonna be like 3:35 or something.
Oh, show me your teeth. Wow, you got clean teeth. Cleaning, you're good?
Yeah, I thought they need the food.
Tastes good?
But I thought they need the food.
Nice. Let me see your toothbrush. Color pink. Show me your teeth. Brush your teeth. Come on, let's go, let's go. Go out. Go out. Alam mo ngayon, it's National Reconciliation Day. Kaya ito, hindi ako naka-black na t-shirt. Naka-orange. Almost orange na t-shirt. Kasi pupunta kami ngayon sa museum. Pupunta kami sa The Forks. Libre yung kanilang museum doon. Children's Museum. Doon kami mag-i-stay for the next 2 hours. Hindi kami pwede maglakad-lakad kasi nga malamig. Pero the kids will going to stay there. And we'll have some fun. And syempre kami rin kasi libre yung entrance, but the problem will be the parking. Titingnan namin kung may enough parking space or mahaba man yung pila. So we will see if medyo dehado or hindi masyadong maganda yung pag waiting time doon. Most likely baka uuwi na lang din kami. And maybe we will stay here. Lalo na ngayon, hindi ganun kaganda yung panahon, makulimlim. And nararamdaman mo na yung lamig. Kasi ramdam na yung lamig dito. Look at that. Oh, yan yung tapat ng bahay namin. And as you can see, nagdidilaw na yung mga dahon. Sabayan mo pa na makulimlim na panahon. Yan. Boy, Canada!
Fries.
You want fries?
I want fries.
Anak ko. Oo. So, meron dito kami sa may The Forks. And what you see is the Union Station via Rail. Yan, Via Rail Union Station. Ito yung pwede mong sakyan na station papunta ng Toronto. Para madrop ka rin doon sa Union Station dyan sa Toronto. So we're here girls, boys. Yeah, lagyan na lang sa likod. So yan, dito na kami, pupunta na kami sa Children's Museum. Tapos ano ba to? Humanitarian Museum. Yan yung nasa postcard ng Manitoba, yung Humanitarian Museum. Libre din ba dyan ngayon?
Libre din.
Subukan natin, di pa rin ako nakakapunta dyan eh. You wanna try?
It's up to you.
Come on. Asan tayo mauna? Children o dyan muna sa...
Children.
Ha?
Children.
Children Museum? Okay, let's go! Yeah, we're going inside. Look at that! All season. Dito naman kami ngayon sa Canadian Museum for Human Rights. So this is the main entrance. Nilakad na lang namin, tapos who's that? Okay, let me take photo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Rizzy. Okay, you're done. You're done na. I already took photo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, your turn, Rizzy. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay, let's go. No, it's not. Come on. Oh. So, lamig. So, dito may skate park malapit.
I don't like the picture.
Sa tapat ng... Ito, first time ko rin papasok dito eh. Kaya, sulitin na namin yung libre. Oh! What happened to you? Sulitin namin yung libre ngayon. First time din namin papasok dito. Let's go inside. Come on.
I'm gonna go inside.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going inside.
Pushing.
I know. Oh, come on. Let's go inside. First, mommy.
Let's pushing that.
No. Dito na ako papasok. Let's go. Oh, here.
Whoa.
Go inside. Wow. So right now, dito kami ngayon sa museum na mismo sa may humanitarian. This is our first time here. Hindi rin mahal din ang pagpunta rito. Most likely na nasa $20 sa isa, Beb. Ha? 30? 30 ang entrance. Pero since nga free ang entrance for the museum, we're taking advantage of this. This is your first time here, Ate Cassie?
Yeah. Hey, I'm not at the castle.
Oh, yeah, Rizzy pala. So, ayan o. So, pumunta kami sa ramp. And then...
Is this your first time here?
Yeah, this is my first time here.
No, me too, Dad.
Have you been here before, Ate? On your field trip? No?
No, I didn't go to this.
Come on, girls. So meron silang mga ano dito, mga year and whatsoever. May hologram pa sila rito. Bakit? Sa Alfred.
Our wildlife, as we have known it for millennia, that nurtures us spiritually and physically. All of these rights are human rights. that are now being minimized and destroyed as a result of the climatic changes, environmental degradation that is happening in Europe.
Canada's Inuit face the future by leaning on their traditions and their ability